Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is School of Logistics in Tripura. Recently, Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush inaugurated the School of Logistics, Waterways and Communication in Tripura. It aims to provide support for studies, research, training and workshops to the traders and entrepreneurs of the region. It has been set up under the State Institute of Public Administration and Rural Development, that is SIPARD. SIPARD is an autonomous body funded by the Government of Tripura and partially by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. Now moving on to its significance, the school will enable the talent of the region to become world-class experts in the transportation and logistics sector. It will unlock the promised economic potential of the Northeast. It will increase the capacity of human resources along waterways, and it will create a positive mindset among the stakeholders for stepping forward works related to waterways smoothly and systematically for the businessmen, exporters, importers, local entrepreneurs, etc. of the Northeast. Now, information about Tripura. Tripura is located in the northeastern part of the subcontinent. It is bordered to the north, west and south by Bangladesh, to the east by the state of Mizoram, and to the northeast by the state of Assam. In order to revamp the international trade between Northeast India and Bangladesh, the waterways play a crucial role. Significantly, the Government of India is providing financial assistance under the Central Sector Scheme for the development of inland waterway in the Northeast, including Tripura.